What can it be?
Scraps of wool. Oh, so soft.
They sure are. That has given me a mega monster idea. Wool is the best. You can roll it. It can bounce, bouncy, 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 and it's super fluffy. But this ball of wool is going to help us make a wool head game.
As well as these scraps of wool, we'll need a cereal box, a smaller box, coloured card, a pom-pom, some buttons and paint.
Let's start with the cereal box and the small box.
Make sure the opening of the cereal box is at the top. Then stick the boxes together.
These are going to make the neck and head for our game. Now it's Monster Painty Paint time.
Yeah, let's paint it.
Painty, painty, painty. Hey, 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 hey.
And then leave the paint to dry.
It's time to give our head some woolly hair.
Take some scraps of wool and stick them inside the top of the box, like this.
This style looks woolly good.
Make sure you do this all the way around the top of the box. Murphy, I think something's missing.
It sure is.
A face!
Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the tiny helpers.
Ooh.
Look, they've added ears, eyes and a mouth. And a collar and buttons. Thanks, tiny helpers.
Thank you.
All that's left to do is add a pom-pom for a nose. One woolly head game complete. And you can make one too.
Rebecca, are you ready to play?
Ready?
Ooh, me too. This is going to be such fun. You first, Rebecca. Oh. Ooh, my turn. Yay, I did it.
Oh, Murphy, this is so much fun. But how is it going to help you get a new silly hat for our hat party?
Like this.
It's raining pom-poms!
What do you think?
Oh, wow, Murphy. I love your new fancy hat. Now you're ready for our big silly hat party.
Yeah!
Come on, Murphy. Now we've both got our big silly hats. We can party! Woo!
Hey, look! A monster make idea!
It's a hilarious hairdo pot.
Yes, we can make a hilarious hairdo pot that looks like you, so we can have 2 Rebeccas in the attic.
Brilliant idea, Murphy.
Let's get monster making. Hey!
Amazing, Murphy. For this make, we'll need an empty pot with a lid, card, stickers, an old tennis ball, a hairband, oh, and lots of wool.
What would you like to do first?
I know. Let's cover the pot with a strip of card. You can use any colour you like. This is going to be the head.
Hey, 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 hey! Ooh, hold the card in place with sticky tape.
Now we can decorate the face. You know what that sound means.
It's time for the Fabulous Fluffs!
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, this is what we do. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, now it's up to you. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue.
Woo! Thank you, Fabulous Fluffs. I love, love, love that song. It always gets me in the mood to
stick. Come on, Murphy. It's time to decorate our hilarious hairdo pot with stickers.
Yes! Sticky, sticky, stick!
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, now it's up to you.
I like to cut a circle sticker in half to make a smiley mouth. But you can decorate your face however you want.
You can even make one with 3 noses if you like.
But remember, be careful with scissors and ask a grown-up if you need help.
Here's the wool to make the hair.
Yup, it's not a hilarious hairdo pot unless it's got lots of hairy hair.
Yeah, loads of hair.
We're using brown wool, but you can use any colour.
Yeah, like rainbow monster hair.
And pop the lid back on to keep the hair in place. Now what kind of hairdo shall we give our hairdo pot?
How about a monster mullet? Or a monster twist? Or...
I know. Tennis ball, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. And with a quick gather here, a twist there, and tie it with a hairband to make a ponytail. One hilarious hairdo pot. What do you think, Murphy? Does it look like me?
Yes, it looks just like you. Apart from the size.
Yeah, it is a teeny bit smaller than me.
Oi, who are you calling small?
Ooh.